Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to turn off Chrome notifications. So to turn off notifications in Google Chrome, first open Chrome, then sign into your account. Next, click the three dots in the top right corner. Next, scroll down and look for Settings and select Settings. Now in here, go to Privacy and Security. On the left side, look for Privacy and Security and click on that. So under Privacy and Security, select Site Settings. That's usually at the bottom. Then under permissions, select notifications. So from here, what you need to do is to select don't allow sites to send notifications. So select that. So this will remove or block specific websites from the allowed to send notifications list. So if you're using Android, you can open Chrome, then tap the three dots, then go to settings, then tap notifications, then turn notifications off completely or disable them for specific sites. If you're using iPhone or iPad, you can open the settings app, then scroll down and tap Chrome, then tap notifications and turn allow notifications off. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.